Zillow. There are big changes, and if you're a buyer or a seller, you need to be aware of this information. I'm Robin Young with Compass, and today is Friday the 29th, 2021, and I'm time stamping this video because the changes that are taking place with Zillow in the last couple of weeks and continuing is going to be fast paced. Okay, so what has been happening in the last 2 weeks is that Zillow has been changing the way it receives its information of listings and properties for sale. They've shifted over to what's called an IDX feed and linking up in agreements with MLS systems. So you can only do that if you're going to become a brokerage. So hint, hint. Now with that, Zillow has made some operational changes in that you as the consumer buyer, or you the consumer future seller, and you see postings of properties for sale and you want to get in touch with the listing agent, Zillow is currently not allowing that, and no one's really sharing the truth about it. The truth is that you the consumer are being rerouted to a buyer's agent, and then through that buyer's agent you will be able to view the property and or get the information. So if you're wanting to get in touch with the actual listing agent, you're not going to get it through Zillow. Okay. The other thing that you need to know as buyers, especially here in the Bay Area, and we have so few properties for sale, some of the listings are not showing up right away on Zillow. Case in point, I had a listing on Germain in Livermore, and there was also another property that was listed for sale. That listing agent shared with me that they went about 3-4 days before her listing showed up on Zillow. And that property only had 4 days in which buyers could go in and view the home. So I'm sharing this with you buyers and giving you words of advice in that more so than any time before, if you want to know, when properties are going to be hitting the market and know exactly when they're released to market, you got to have a working relationship with a realtor. They have got to have you set up to get email notifications. That agent needs to be proactive in researching and sharing with you what I call the shadow inventory. Shadow inventory is coming soon. So it could be expired listings that never sold that fit your criteria of what you're looking for. It's up and coming probate sales. It's potential short sales and pre-foreclosures. So you got to have that advocate looking for you and helping you in the buying process and identify all of those potential properties. If you have any further questions or concerns about Zillow and how it can affect you, do reach out to me. If you have information about the changes that are going on with Zillow, do share them. I, love to know what you know. As always, make it a powerful day.